In this video, I'm going to share with you affiliate marketing websites that you need to know or you should be aware of when you're trying to get into affiliate marketing and trying to promote affiliate marketing products. So knowing this will help you create, get to know these websites, go grab your affiliate link and promote and make money instantly. So if you can understand what those websites are, where they are, how to sign up, and how to grab your affiliate link, how to get approved, you will be able to grab your affiliate link and promote it to an audience that you already have, or to a new audience on social media and make money instantly. So before I go into today's video, I want you to click the link in the description, grab your free affiliate marketing mastery book. I'll give you 3 chapters of my brand new book on affiliate marketing mastery. Check out you can pre-order it, also links in the description below. And you can also definitely enroll in the affiliate marketing mastery course. For the first 50 people, you can use the coupon code that is given, and you will be able to save a lot more, and you'll get a $200 course for less than $40. Okay, I'm going to give it for cheap because you are the first set of customers who are trusting and who want to learn. So if you are getting down later down the line, the price will increase, and there's different metrics to that. So let's get into today's video. What are the different affiliate marketing websites that you must be aware of? The very first affiliate marketing website that you should be aware of is Amazon Associates. Okay, Amazon is a marketplace that sells a lot of products, from physical to retail to digital to software to products, downloadables to anything. They sell a lot of products. Any product that you see in the physical world, you'll be able to see it on Amazon. So go into Amazon, go to Amazon Associates, create your affiliate, go grab your affiliate link, meaning go create your account, enter your bank details on the second page, and get approved. And once you get approved, you will see on the back end that you can search for products and services that you want. If you have a book, go search for the book name, go grab it. Even when you log into your Amazon account, on the top you will see a smart URL bar, where if you type and search for a particular product, let's say you are reading a book on a particular topic, you type that, you will see the Amazon Associates, that bar, smart bar on the top. This will help you literally give you your affiliate link for that particular product or service that you recommend. So if you are able to go ahead and purchase that particular product through your affiliate link, if you grab that affiliate link, you can literally mention them or add them to the links in the description below, or links to your link tree, or link to your smart to your post on social media, or your blog, or your Instagram post, or whatever the case, how you're trying to promote. So check out Amazon Associates. The very second website that I want you to be aware of is a place called clickbank.com. I know Clickbank is essentially harder for more people to get into, because they have a filtering system that they do not allow other people to people from tier 3 countries to get into unless you pass a certain criteria or go take their Clickbank education product, go and purchase, because they do not want freebie seekers to just get into the market. So if you can check out clickbank.com, you will be able to sign up, go through their basic course. Once you go through the basic course, you will be able to open an account right now. So if you can open an account, you can go and click on the marketplace tab on the top. You'll be able to see a lot of products in various different niches. Filter them out by gravity, by relevance, by popularity. Go grab your affiliate link from that particular product. Click on the promote button. You'll get an affiliate link. Shorten that URL, create content on that, and place your affiliate link in the description below. Or if you have an email list, send them an email. So that's website number 2. Website number 3 is if you're promoting software products. There's a website called Jvzoo.com. Jvzoo will help you promote software products or any tech products or any products of that nature. So check it out, jvzoo.com. If you're trying to promote information money making products, there's a third website called warriorplus.com. So they have products launching in daily. They have products that helps you create short videos. There are products that help you create membership sites. There are different products that teach different things. They help you with cryptocurrency, they help you with DeFi, they help you with affiliate marketing, they help you with make money online, they help you with creating sales pages. So many products are being launched that solves different problems. You can literally go there, create a free account on warriorplus.com, and go ahead and sign up to it immediately, and go grab your affiliate link from, send them a request saying, okay, I need to go, I'm looking to promote your product on my YouTube channel, I'm creating content on it. So if you can approve my link, I will be able to gradually send you sales to your affiliate product, and that's how you get started. And the fourth platform that you must be aware of is called Sharesale. Sharesale is an affiliate product. It's an affiliate network that will help you. There are thousands of products in different niches and segments. So if you can get started with Sharesale, you can literally go get approved, click the join the program, enter how you're going to promote it, and then click the last join button. And if you search for it, you will be able to get enough. You can literally play around and you can literally get an idea of it. If you're looking for a video on that, comment below and let me know if you want me to teach you how to use Sharesale to promote find affiliate products and to promote it. So check out sharesale.com. I'll also place a link for you to sign up into Sharesale in the description below. Okay. The fifth platform that you can literally use can be eBay, or can be any familiar site, or you can literally go to Google, search for that particular niche that you're trying to target, and plus affiliate program. You will see a lot of affiliate programs that is there. Sign up to one of them, scroll to the bottom of the web page, and you will see there's a thing called affiliate program, okay, on their website, and sign up to that. They will give you affiliate access to their affiliate program, and you will be able to literally know about the product, create content on that, and promote it. So whenever someone comes across that content, they will watch that content, they'll come and buy through your link. It's as simple as that. So these are the five websites that you must know. So there are other websites. If you want to know more about that, check out the link in the description, because in the free 3-chapter guide that I've given for you, 3 chapters of my affiliate marketing mastery book, you will know a lot of other websites that I have mentioned inside that. So definitely check it out, give a read, so you will get to know the other thousands of websites that are inside that, which you will not be able to know on your own. So I hope you found value in this video. This is how you find affiliate marketing. Just go on Google, search for it, type the niche or the pain problem, and then look for affiliate program or product that solves that product problem. Go to the bottom of the website, you'll find that, or you go to affiliate networks and find that. So if you're new here, like this button, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, help me reach my goal of 100,000 subscribers, and then I'll reach the goal of 1 million. So if you want value, share it with someone, comment below, go grab the free things. And even if you want to make your first 6 figures using affiliate marketing, check out the course, use the coupon code and get it before prices increase, and you will be able to get a lot more bonuses that I offer for free, which I will later charge for. So if you get it right now, you are lucky, and I'll see you in the next video.